It's alright.
Do you guys need sunscreen?
Oh no, I'll be fine.
Okay. Hi.
Hello.
You guys have fun.
Yeah. In the cold water.
Yeah. No, wait, that's my car.
Alrighty.
Let's go! What the heck is this? Oh, I think you heard a pump it. I'm ready for a ride of beating.
I'll be over the wheel.
Really? Do you want to sit by yourself or do you want me to join you? I'll join you. Dad needs his support. It'll be better tomorrow.
Around 67 years of age, what happens to wheels here? Go near a high out by breaking the burrow into a sandy hillside.
Same, bro.
Yeah, same, bro.
Is that cold?
Oh, yeah, it's cold. Oh, my goodness.
Cold.
Yeah. You won't be cold if you jumping jacks. No,
You're not even doing jumping jacks, right?
Huh? The water's cold because the ice went on. Wait,
Ooh, my goodness.
Oh, I don't have to bring shoes? I'm not bringing any shoes.
I wouldn't wear Adidas.
Well, what am I going to wear?
Your socks?
So I'm not bringing shoes because I can't swim with shoes on, and mine don't tie very tight, and those things just fall off.
I know. I'm still gonna hate you though. No, you won't. Until we get on the raft.
Right? He's testing the oar spin.
Where's that attitude coming from? Why are you angry? Why are you angry? Where are you going?
Okay.
And me.
You're gonna paddle.
No, you're paddling.
Yeah, you're paddling. Adults don't got to paddle.
Whatever.
We can just get a cruise?
So you
No, you're gonna.
on the no paddle.
I won't be able to get us out of bad situations if you don't paddle.
No, I'm kidding. I'll be able to. You get us in a bad situation.
All
That's
right.
okay, brother.
Oh yeah. So I need
Just
three
keep
in
it
front.
straight, we'll be all right. Sideways.
I can sit like this?
I guess.
Oh. Oh.
This is fun. So you gotta follow directions.
If you're happy and you knew it, keep on pedaling.
Guys, did he say go yet? Hey.
Alright, we're gonna go through our commands real quick.
Those are rocks.
Let me pet it.
Ah! Crocs!
I have Crocs. Oh, bye, Tori. No thanks.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
This is little.
I know.
You got your Crocs?
There's
Yeah.
one.
It's an alligator.
The guy in the pink shorts. That guy.
Are you an alligator? Hello, little fishy. Look.
I'm not scared. I'd rather ride down this in the water.
Look at that one.
Look, fish.
Oh no, they're getting us.
Ow! Come on, little teenager.
Go on the right side.
Stop!
Thank you.
We're gonna have to relay them. So you're gonna have to delay on your orders. Yeah, that's all right.
Of course. Baby, right around.
They're caning on us.
Good job.
This would be a pretty cool job.
Yeah, sorry. Are you guys hiring?
Oh!
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Imagine all the trout. Imagine all the trout we just went over. I can't believe we have.
I knew a driftwood.
I knew a small wood, but now he's cooked. Hey.
Sorry, rapids, guys. I don't know what to tell you. There's more.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, but the wind is going this way, Connor.
Yeah, it's up.
So it works when you're turning the other way, then it will work. Just get better.
Patrick's like, stop splashing me!
Alright, you guys ready?
No, yeah.
Paddle!
Hey, you stay seated.
That's a big one.
He hasn't said stop yet.
Alright, lean in! Oh, Jesus!
I'm sorry, dude.
Alright, you're holding on to her.
More of those. Woo!
Oh, it's raining.
Big one.
My whole butt is wet. My whole left side.
I thought you were ready to go in.
I am.
Your face said otherwise.
What happened?
Please splash.
Whoa.
Alright, go Connor. Remember, wind. Just the way, just straight up. Doesn't have to go back. Just go up. There you go. There you go. There you guys got it.
It's all hitting my face.
Right.
How did you get? I'm gonna show up the boat.
That was so fun! I want to be like you when I grow up.
Ah, my eye.
Heck yeah. Connor. Look at this. We were going. Here's that part. Keep it up. That's a good way to lose your oar.
Or yourself.
With us.
Or yourself. And it dips down and you paddle.
There you go.
If it dips down, you paddle in, you find a hole, and it doesn't go, you go. I mean, you're right enough to probably fall out of the boat. Talk with teenagers.
I can't uninstall it.
I can't get off my phone. Okay, I'm home. There's the digger.
Okay.
It was Tyler. Right side pedal. Right side pedal.
Right side.
Make it a turn. Pedal. Pull it away from the shallow. Shallow means you gotta get out and lift the boat.
He didn't say left. He said paddle.
Oui.
Don't be excited if it didn't get stuck somewhere. That's supposed to be the guy.
Oh, sorry.
Maybe her left one.
Thank you. That's so sweet. I really felt like that was all. I'm trying.
Maybe you're trying. I can tell you're trying. We're going backwards.
Oh.
Mom, when I first showed Mom a picture of Dante, you know, our cousin, Mom was like, he's a cutie. Who's that? I was like, oh, we're related to him.
Ready? Everybody ready? Wait, forward!
Go! Go! Oh my gosh, we're gonna miss it!
Go to the dam!
River rat.
Oh, we're in the dam. We're on the right side, exit the vehicle.
All right, that's done. What? We're done rafting, and we're at Taco John's. It's kind of like Taco Bell. But
Tori. Your hand is on
drove to the patio, took the showers. Didn't even get no static from the showers. Because just yesterday, the Uber tried to blast me. Saw the police and they rolled right past. Eat your burrito. House.
What is up, guys? Today we are having Taco John's. You heard me right. Not Taco Bell, but Taco John's.
What'd you do?
How's basketball?
No, that's wild.
Well, you can. Yeah, I did it.
Join you and I'll go.
Yeah.
What's on the water?
What?
He says slick back.
Hi.
Is the water cold?
It's alright.
It's alright.
Ow. Where's the sun? Okay.
It's kind of cold.
It's a bit cloudy.
Nothing. Nope.
What's up?
Uncle Dave is wondering if you want to go on the boat with him.
Found Larry the Lobster here.
That's $22. That's your shopping budget. If you follow me on TikTok, I'll double it.
It's crazy. Got a whole storm rolling in. Alright guys, well. Yep.
Did you put that one piece back in the garage at the end
Did you
between the pins?
keep my
No, I left that there. So
sweatshirt in there?
oh, okay.
Sweet.
Mom and Dad are doing fireworks without us.
I didn't want to be around anyway.
Then I'm gonna be so angry.
What do you mean?
Because they bought fireworks for 4th of July.
Yeah, but like,
I'll put you
If
there.
you're doing them
they're
without
already
us,
at the
you
center.
So later when we get home, we're gonna do it.
Ow!
Oh, help me, Tori!
What with the like
I
red
didn't
things?
watch the second one.
No.
I wanted to, but
Why didn't you?
I didn't.
Trees stopping.
I said,
Dude, trees are really good vibes.
shut up. Where's smiley faces?
You look like a smiley.
That was sick. I don't like that. I like those.
That would be
okay.
Oh my gosh. See now this.
No!
What? That was so
That
cool.
was great.
That was like stars.
Wow. I've never loved the fireworks more. Oh my goodness. I've
Yeah.
come here every year. You guys like it?
Dude, that was awesome.
That was great.
More shotgun
Well,
time.
there's a shotgun. I don't get to shoot a shotgun every day.
More shoot.
I
Yeah, more.
Jay wants to shoot.
All right, I'm gonna shoot one.
I gotta prepare myself for it. I mean,
Jay, you want to shoot?
oh, go to Virginia.
Then,
More?
Yeah.
Want to shoot?
shine the light. Babe. Is it good?
Yeah. Don't put your finger on the trigger. It's all safe.
Okay.
You don't have to tag it.
Oh. Oh. Okay.
Keep killing the tree.
It's out of aim.
Okay.
Shoot over the tree.
Okay.
You're shooting the tree. He killed a baby bird.
Connor, it's not even funny.
He's not gonna point a gun at you.
Okay, I just know Connor.
I just know.
Okay, good.
Oh, sweet. Oh my.
Those are awesome.
Fireworks party.
Jay, excuse you.
Yo.
That face.
Guys, we need to run, guys. Whoa, that's a crikey right there.
Sure is bright.